Hi guys, today I'm visiting Newport Lakes. It's a hidden gem in the middle of suburbs just out of Melbourne, about 10 minutes off the Westgate Bridge. You go to this place and you think you're out in the middle of bushland Victoria. So easy to relax here and get lost in the serenity of things. And we'll go and have a look. This is a hidden gem. It was an old quarry back in the days, many years ago, and they've turned it into this beautiful reserve. First of all, give you a look at the map. It opens at 8 AM and closes at 7 PM. Daylight savings, it closes at 9 PM, and it's a very popular area. Where we're going now, you're not allowed to take your dogs. Yeah, when you come here, you don't think you're in Newport, trust me. All right, let's start our walk. As soon as you step into the place, have a look at this, man. I swear, I feel like I'm in Blackwood or the Wombat State Forest, man. Like, this is a cool place. I swear, man, we're out in the middle of nowhere, but you look there in the distance, you can see the tower in Williamstown. And yeah, we'll go for a walk along this trail. This place, yeah, is a must do if you live in Melbourne. I've lived in Melbourne pretty much all my life, and I only found this place about a year ago. Anyone can walk this track. It's a pretty easy track. There's no steepness at all. They've put a lot of effort. This is all man-made as well. Obviously it's taken them years to get this the way it is, but yeah, it's totally awesome. These are different animals they've got living here. Turtles, eels, yabbies, and good old carp. Just walking across these stepping stones. If you come here, you can't bring your dogs in here, that's one thing. Don't feed the birds either, they say. Tell you what, it'd be so nice to jump in that water right now. It's like such a natural ecological system here. Oh, some sort of ibis. Like a natural sort of mud pond. Look at that, that's yeah. Quite cool. It's got numbers as you walk around. Not sure what they mean. Obviously markers of some sort. That's normal. I'm not looking at a map, I just wing it. Don't think you can really get lost. Oh, turtle. There's a turtle. Don't know if I saw that on the video then. There's a turtle in the water there. There's schools of fish here. I think the turtle comes in for a feed. And it came in and if I knew I would have come up a bit quietly, but I didn't come up that quiet and I scared it away. I don't know if you can see all that. Thousands of little fish in the water. Thousands of them, look at them. You can sit here, there's a chair here, you can just take in the moment, feel the serenity. And you're in the middle of suburbia pretty much, Newport. Little picnic area up here. No barbecues. Got all these rock paintings everywhere. I don't know what the story is behind that either. Oh, it's like, what do they call it? Mosaic. Is that what they call the tiles? Mosaic? Mosaic. Oh, they've done a pretty cool job there. All right, we'll keep walking around the lake. So we've seen a lot of little fish, ducks, and a turtle. There's no kangaroos or nothing in this area. I can guarantee that. You got a seat here, you can sit here and relax. And look at this. We can sneak up. There's some bird watching holes. Feel like a bird peeping Tom. Have a look at that. I can spy my birds. A creepy bird man. If you're into photography of birds, I'd say you'd get some awesome shots around here. What do they call people that like looking at birds? I know I work in the train industry, I should say, and people who look at trains are called gunzels. Is there a name for people who like looking at birds? Like birdies or bird freaks? I don't know. Good question. There's some more of those mosaics. Ah, it's a frog. 2 frogs. It's mad. And a bird. And more shitty tags. We're coming up towards where I started. Probably only did about 1.5 k's then, but there's other tracks you can go around. You can do a couple of laps. Just got little mad water holes everywhere around here. Like billabongs. Some mad water holes. If you come here late at night, I can guarantee you will need mozzie repellent. None today, but none at the moment, but later on tonight, guarantee it. Get some old irrigate on you. Alright, coming up to another lookout. I think the trees are overgrown a bit. Yeah, not much of a... It'd be cool if those trees weren't there, but... Okay, we're coming up to where we started. We're back up to the starting point with the maddest lookout out of all of them. Alright, I'll give you a good view of this area again before we take off. Now we'll walk back to the car. I'll show you some of the dog parks around here. We'll go for a drive and yeah, I'll give you a bit of commentary on the way. Here's another one of those mosaics. Ah, cool. There's plenty of tracks you can walk around here. If you know the tracks, you could probably create a pretty good circuit. I've been here twice and I've done the same track pretty much each time. Alright, what we'll do now, I'll get in the car and we'll go for a little drive and we'll show you the other trails. Alright, we're going to take you on a little scooter tour. This is pretty much the whole park. We'll go for a little scoot. Got barbecue areas. All right, you got a cool little barbecue area. Sit down, have a barbecue, plenty of shade. There's really not much to see, so I'll just show you out here. Little playground for the kids. And you can bring your dog in this area. Pretty much all this area to run with your dogs and have a barbecue, bring the kids and let them play. Quite cool. And there's another barbecue area over there. So you've got 2 little barbecue areas and way over in the distance you got more barbecues. So plenty of car parking. This is all part of the park. This is a dogs off lead area around here. Glad the developers haven't taken this and ruined it like they do everywhere else. Just next door to all this, you got Newport Lakes native nursery. My whole garden's pretty much plants from this place, so basic little nursery, but the plants I've got here have been pretty good, so I'll grab some more. And you know they're going to be all natives. You can read that, that's the price. 10 for 40, goes up to 100 for 300, so $3 each. Plenty of different trees here. I need a green thumb with me here. I do not know what I'm doing. But yeah, I might have a look on the internet, do my research first, see what I want, because I'm lost. Unless I bring a green thumb with me, I'm fucked. Yeah, thanks for watching this little video of Newport Lakes. Please subscribe. Shawnee's Ultimate Reviews. More videos coming at you soon. Thank you.